she will get sad. Woo! Because she will get sad and will gonna.
Wow. Mababalian tayo.
Dapat tumakbo.
Don't follow the Calabaw.
She?
Sign language.
Not sad. If you do this, the Calabaw will be happy. Like this. Thank you. When I go in there, I say, hey, don't follow him. He's just a nice girl.
Girl yung kalabaw?
I just saw a mad every Calabaw in the single world. Only remember you don't follow the Calabaw. They will get angry or sad. They will get sad too because you pick them.
Gusto po, bawal ito. Nagsabi ka na tabi-tabi po doon? Paano mo sinabi?
I said, tabi-tabi po. No, no, no.
Oy, nagsabi ka. Nagsabi ka. May bawal palang ipik to. Nagsabi ka doon.
But there's no people in that road. In that woods.
Wala nga, sa woods tayo. Wala nga daw tao. Dapat tayo magpapaalam. Paano tayo magsasabi? Dapat pala nagsabi tayo.
Yeah, but there's no people in the woods.
Ano gagawin dapat?
We're gonna bring the home to the woods, and then we're gonna make it beautiful.